nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these bomb waves plus how I installed this wig. The hair that I'm using today is from Sunber Hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I am going to be unpackaging some bundles that I got from Sunber Hair. So this is how it looks. So I got 4 body wave bundles and a 4x4 body wave closure. So this closure, it is a 4x4. And this is just how it looks against my skin. Then I got 1/24". I got a 26". And then I got 2 28". So this is the body wave. So I'll be making this into a unit, and once the unit is constructed, I will get back to you guys and show you how I install it. Okay guys, so this is how my unit looks. I put all 4 bundles on and I did use a different closure. So I'm just going to put the wig on my canvas head and prep it so that I can start waving it. Right now I'm just using the blow dryer to help smooth out the hair because there is already waves from the body wave pattern. And once I complete blow drying the hair, I am going to use my Got to Be Free spray to help give me some hold. So once you start waving the hair, you want to make sure that it is not free. And when I start waving, I hold it for about 6 seconds. That way I know that it is defined. You also want to make sure that you keep all the hair together, especially when you reach to the ends. That way it is not spaced out too much. So this is just how the inside of the wig looks. I'm going in with my lace tint. I am just spraying it all over my closure. And once that's done, I'm just using my blow dryer just to dry the tint. So here you see me putting an elastic band, and that is just to secure the wig on my head. And I'm just going in and I'm sewing one end down. So just to help me, I put the wig back on the canvas head and I'm just going in a zigzag motion just to cut off the extra lace at the front. So guys, as you can see, I'm just putting the wig on my head and I'm using this elastic band that I sewed down on one side and I'm just stretching it to the next side. So once I feel that it fits my head correctly, I am going to cut a piece and I'm just going to sew that part down on the other side of the lace. I'm just going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer and the end of my tail comb, and I'm just using this to conceal my part. So I'm going to take some of the concealer, put it on the end of my tail comb, and I'm just going to rub it in my part. Last but not least, I'm just taking my oil sheen from Cantu and I am just going to spray that all over my hair to give it some shine. And that is it, guys. Don't forget to shop Sunber Hair. This was some bomb hair. All the details will be listed in my description box below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know what you guys would like to see me do next.